See this guys, you just need to set up a minimum to maximum range of earning and you are getting paid a good amount of money. And you can see this guys, 20,000 customers are waiting for your service. And guys, freelancers on this website is absolutely less. You can see this, work on demand with local or remote professionals. How to do it guys? Watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn good amount of money from this website. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online by just performing freelance job on this website. You can see this guys, over 20,000 customers, over 150 countries are coming on this website and started earning money. Guys, whatever niche you are compatible with, whether you are able to handle the social media platform like Instagram, Facebook and all, or you can manage the content writing part. If you want to do growth for a company, whatever you want to do, you can do it. SEO part, paid ads, whatever you want to do, you can do it. Okay, you can see this guys. You can copywriting things, email marketing as well, public relation management, whatever you want to do, you can do. Even the designing part as well. So what is a basic perspective? And you can see this guys, how big companies, Airbnb, L'Oreal and more. You can see Virgin America. Okay, so you can see this, there are lots and lots of companies which come on this website and started hiring freelancers for doing small micro tasks. Okay, and they are getting paid good amount. Minimum payout on this website is $25 guys. Okay, so it's good for you to earn a good amount of platform. Okay guys, in this website I'm going to show you designer website. So you just need to type designer and you just need to click on this search. So basically this is for those who want to hire it. Okay, so you can see the person from someone country, okay, somewhat country, just post you know, name of the title of the job and give the description. Okay, and you can see this, they are giving paid on time job or ongoing job. Okay, they can select whatever. And guys, pay more attention to pay by hour or pay a fixed price. Okay, a fixed price that they can, or hourly pay. Okay, so there are more chances that you need to select obviously both, but these are the things that you can see this client perception. Okay, so this is for clients. Okay, so I'm not going to show you how to post your job. Okay, so what I need to show you is to just click on this sign up button as a freelancer. So freelancer means on this website is PEEP. Okay, so it's a cool name. Okay, so what you need to give here is to just click on this agreement and your name, first name, last name, your email address, password, contact number, and where you come get to know about these PEEP. So I just quickly do it guys. Okay, so I just quickly enter my all the details. Okay, and my password that I need to give, and guys, I just need to give everything online. Okay, I have searched this thing from online. I'm not a robot. Okay, and just click on this sign up button. That's it. Okay, all the details that you need to fill. You can see this guys. Now your profile is 15% completed. Now you need to add some small bio about yourself, your location, time zone, avatar and all. Okay, so I quickly show you how you yourself can do it. So just click on this add your bio, and guys, you just need to give a small bio, your location. Okay, where why do you want to be a PEEP, means why do you want to be a freelancer. Okay, so you can see this guys, you can give I am a graphic, okay, designer. Okay, you can give I am a graphic designer. So you have successfully given this. Okay, you just need to give your location guys, whatever location you are compatible with. Okay, you can give, you can select your time zone guys. Okay, so I just quickly select my time zone, so I can just do it guys. Okay, you can select your own time zone. Okay, so you just need to give guys what do you want to be a peep? Why do you want to be a peep? I love to do freelancing. Okay, you can give your own description. I'm just showing you a demo. Okay, so you can see this, guys, tax. So you can give your country name and just click on this save. Okay, that's it, guys. What you need to do, just click on this save button. See this? Okay, so I have successfully did it. Now you need to upload your avatar. Okay, so I just quickly do it. You just need to give your name and all. Okay, and you just need to upload your avatar. So I just quickly do it. So after giving avatar, you just need to click on this save button. Okay, and now what you need to do, guys, is to select your 2 social media profiles. Okay, you can give whatever profile name. I can give my Facebook, okay, and my Instagram. Okay, so just give it and save it. Okay, and guys, you just need to give a professional summary. Just click on this professional summary and you just need to give that I am a graphic designer having more than 5 years of experience. Okay, you just need to give this thing. Okay, and how to become a this thing 5 years experience, I'll show you, guys. You just need to give 2 companies, okay, company names for this. So what you can do, guys, if you are new to this, so what you can do, just come up here in this canva.com. okay, just click on this logo designs. Okay, just click on this logo designs and you just need to see the templates. Okay, the step by step I just need to show you, guys. Okay, you can select this logo and you just need to give the company name. Here you can see this. Okay, you just need to give, copy this, paste it. Okay, and this is a luxury suites. Okay, so what you need to do, you can give the title luxury suites. Okay, so you can give a description that I have made logo for you can give the name. This is the name, luxury suites. Okay, I can give the name of the company, luxury suites. Okay, okay, so you can give it. Okay, and you just need to choose a file. Okay, image. So based upon that, you just need to give it, guys. Okay, so I have successfully downloaded it. Okay, so you just need to give it. So I just quickly gave this thing. You can see this, whatever the name is, you can see. And guys, at least 2. Okay, so select 2 logos. Okay, I can select this thing as well. Okay, I can select this thing as well. So I just quickly do this. Okay, I just quickly gave the description. Okay, and here you can see this natural makeup and just gave it. So in the meantime I just need to download this and just give the description as same as it is. Okay, so copy this and you just need to give it and you just need to type here natural makeup. Okay, so quickly do it. That's it, guys, that's simple. And now what you need to do is to choose a file of the same thing. Okay, and just click on this save button. That's it, guys. Okay, your first step is ready, another step is ready. Okay, so it will take some time because your form is getting submitted to the backend. Okay, now guys, what you need to do, at least 2 portfolio items. Okay, so now guys, you have gave the description about the 2 portfolios. Okay, now what you need to do, guys, you just need to give the description and the title. Okay, that I can create a unique logos, okay, for companies. Okay, I can create unique logos for the companies. Okay, or you can give here I am having more than 5 years of experience. okay, and you can give and having more than 100 templates. Okay, you just need to give it. Okay, so you just need to give it, and you can select your work. Okay, you can give whatever work you can give. Okay, similarly, what you can do, copy this and just paste it here. Okay, and you can give, I can create animated logos, because you can type here resume. Okay, and whatever you want to give, you can see this, just copy paste this animated logos. You just need to give more than 100 templates of animated logos. Okay, you can give it in this way, and you can select a particular picture of it. Okay, so I have successfully did it. Okay, and now what you need to do, guys, is to just click on the save button. That's it. Okay, so you can give it. And guys, if you are facing any problem while doing it, you can see this, you can create animated logos. You can see this in this way, in this fashion, you can see this. Okay, and you can manage each and everything while doing it. You already know these kind of things. Now guys, you just need to select your hourly rate. Okay, your hourly rate per hour, how much money you want. Okay, per hour how much money you want. Okay, so you just need to type $25 to $100. Okay, or you can say that whatever how much you can give. Okay, just click on this save button and you are good to go. Okay, you can see this, guys. So your profile has been updated successfully, and you are getting paid a good amount of money while doing the things in a right way, in a right direction. Guys, it will take approximately 1 to 2 days to verify your profile. Until then, you are not getting any job. Okay, if you just search up here, okay, if you just do the search, you can see unable to view the jobs at this time. Why? Because guys, right now your profile is getting updated. Okay, your profile is going for a review. Okay, so right now just wait for 1 to 2 days. Okay, and they will post you a job after verifying your all the specifications. Okay, so this is it for this video, guys. If you are having any doubts, you can ask me on the comment section. Like this video, share this video to each and every person, your friends, families, so that guys, there is always a motivation to give you the best content. And please be a helping hand to others, so that guys, they will also get a chance to earn. Okay, if they are not known about these kind of freelancing websites, okay, just be a support partner with them, and you are getting paid for that. Thank you so much, guys. Till then, happy earning.